What do you do, y'all? Welcome to my channel once more. Let's go for another session. Let's see if we can make a quick play. We got just turned up the computer and we can see that we got McDonald's here. McDonald's. Where's McDonald's? All right, 68%, so forget about it. So let's have a quick look and okay, this one might be a good one. This might be the first candle. So we sort of up and down. This is a very engulfing candle, so yeah, it's pulling back too much, so it might not go on that one. So let's see if we can bring this balance to 80 bucks and wrap this session up because we ain't got much time. Seems like it's gonna continue to pull back, so we're gonna leave that one alone. Okay, AUD, this one, this is the first candle. We got a little bit too late. Clearly, you can see that we're on the trend. Um, let's see if we can catch the third candle. We got a little bit too late, I believe. It's very indecisive. Yeah, very indecisive. But it's going to continue to go up, but it's very indecisive. And we missed the second candle. That's the candle we need to grab. Most likely it's going to go up because it's on the uptrend. Okay. Euro, USD. Euro, USD. We got a little bit of consolidation here. That's why the price is not cranking up like it happened over here in the past. And that's it. But overall, if the trend continues, there you go. If the price continues to the trend is up, then the price will have a continuation to the upside. Yeah, we also a bit late for this one. This one, I don't like the way it looks. I'm gonna skip it. Don't like the way this one looks either. Okay, this one is on the uptrend, but it's a very shady chart. So I'm gonna stay away from that one. So let's check the cryptos. Crypto's been pumping lately, so if all these OTC emulates the real ones, then we might see something here. Nothing as far as I can see. This one is not, well, it's sort of going downtrend. It's going up and down, up and down. So the next candle might be an up candle. Either this one or the next one might be a green one. Apple. Let's see what happens with Apple. This is the second candle. Like I said, the trend is not that strong. So I ain't gonna touch it. Okay, Microsoft might be a good play. Let's analyze it here real quick. So we got this area of interest. Not the trend line, it's this one. So this is an area of interest. So this is potentially the first candle, and if all looks good, we're gonna take the second candle. Microsoft. Let's see how far this one will go. Okay, looking good. Let's see how the next one looks like. Okay, we are in. We are in again. Ah, man. We are in the second candle. Oh, second chart. Let's see, a few more seconds. Okay, we got the second one. We missed the first one. Even though I went against the trend, I shouldn't, because as you could see, it's just continuing, because this is a very strong green candle. But I guess I was lucky because I entered right here on the top when it pumped and then retracted a little bit. So in a sense, I was lucky. Let's have a look at Apple. There you go, Apple, second candle, pumped. But like I said, the trend is not that strong, so it's reversing already. Okay, 78. So you just need to make 150, and we're done. Is Microsoft. Okay, it's coming over here and is getting rejected. Even though it's trading above the 50 SMA, potentially, if the trend stays negative, it will continue to go down. But as you can see, we were downtrend clearly, and now the 50 SMA is sort of getting flat. So chances of this going sideways are very likely. So I'm just gonna not touch it. So let's have a look. Okay, we are a bit late for this one. We got the first candle, second candle, and third candle. We are late for the party here. This one, this high fails. Well, it's not as high as bigger, much bigger than this one, so we might not have a big pump. Microsoft seems like it's gonna go down, but it might take a while because this is a zone where the price reacts. So just gonna have a quick pick and see if we can find something else. This trend over here is not as strong. Also, this chart looks a bit messy. Okay, Microsoft is dumping, so it's not gonna have a continuation to the upside as I thought it would. Uh, yeah, seems like he's gonna go down because he's doing lower highs. But like I said, still in the zone, so uh, we're gonna keep rolling and see what happens. Right, not much is happening. We had a few opportunities in the beginning, but we got a little bit too late, a few one candle late too late, so we were not able to trade it. What's this? American Express. So it seems like American Express is gonna form new lows. So he's doing reach double top here. Now it's doing lower highs and lower lows. So potentially he's gonna come over here to the 50 SMA and continue to go down. We might have an opportunity probably in about 5-10 minutes. Tesla, this high up right here is lower than this high, so that means the trend is not getting as strong as it's supposed to be. So we're gonna leave it alone. Which one is this one? Amazon, Visa, Alibaba, Microsoft. There you go, Microsoft. It's in a zone where it's been consolidating in the past, and if you go back, you're probably gonna find some more. There you go, right there, right there. So it's right in the zone. But yeah, if it fails to break, okay, feels like it's gonna go down. Even though it's 88% payout, feels like it's gonna continue to go down. So let's see how the next candle will look like. And we are potentially gonna place some sell positions. This is a very nice candle. Okay, we are in there. Let's see. if it's going to continue to push down. Okay, we got another one, 88 cents, 79.45. So you just need to win one more, and we out of here essentially. So let's have a look one last time at Visa. Okay, this one, yeah, the trend is getting weak. So essentially got double top there. So this one is retracting. Let's have a look at this one. Right, nothing here. Let's have one last look at cryptos. This one is dumping really hard. Most likely it's not going to continue to go up. Okay, Polkadot is on a downtrend. So we might have an opportunity there. We're going to have the first candle. So potentially this one is going to continue to go down. I don't see any resistance or support in this area apart from this bit right here. We can actually say something like this. The candles are very weak, so I'm a bit skeptical about it. Oh shoot. Got to that zone and it got rejected. Okay, so it's pulling back, but the candles are very small, so it can be a risky trade. Not much movement, very small candles. Even though it's a good trade, the candles are very small, so it can be a risky trade. Even though the candles, the trade looks good. You can see he's not moving much. Even though he's going to go down, most likely, he's not moving much. Right, let's check stocks one last time, and if nothing's up, I'm out of here. Even though, okay, American Express is doing lower highs, got double bottom there. Okay, let's see American Express. American Express is doing lower highs, so if you draw a line, here, you could say that potentially the price will hit this line right here and pull back. So that's what we're looking to see. So he's getting close. Okay, he's getting very close to it. He's going to touch it, or he's going to be very close to it. And we are hoping to get rejected from here. So yeah, we're hoping to see this red candle. And if this closes, this candle closes as red, we will take the second candle. Okay, he's doing what we're supposed to do, what we are expecting it to do, I mean. First candle here, so let's wait for the next one and see how he looks like. Okay, we are in. We are in on the second trade. It's pulling up. Not what we wanted. Very indecisive there. Third trade. Very indecisive. Fourth trade. Very indecisive. But seems like we're gonna get the fourth trade. Okay, cool. The reason why I persisted on the fourth trade was because the candle was very indecisive, and because we didn't have the pump to the upside, I was like, because the trend is down, I'm going to go with the trend. So I'm going to sell it. And we lost the first one, we lost the second one, we lost the third one, but we got the fourth one. So let's have a look over here. So we lost by many points, so 7 points there. This one we lost by 3 points there. This one 3 points. This one 16 points. That was a nice win. And we managed to get to 83.12. So if you come over here, we done 3 sessions, 83.12. So you can turn these ones green, and we're good. So we started with 62. We are 83, so that means we made 20 bucks, which is awesome to me. So what I'm gonna do, well, I'm supposed to take some money out right now. Yeah, I'm supposed to take some money out. What do we got? 82. We'll see. I might cash out 10 bucks, and be a little bit risk free, because I started with 60, take 10 bucks out and leave the remaining and continue the journey. We'll see. But yeah, so I'm done for today. I'll catch you out in the next session. Peace.